So the Gladorn lights is something that I really like and recommend for myself, and I use it as well. So this thing has a bunch of different modes for you to pick from, and it has different light modes that come right out of here, and you can change it by just pressing this button over here, which is really amazing. So take a look at the different lights as I cycle through this and I go through this all together. And every one of those has a different effects that is right in here. Now the best way for you to really see the whole entire lights and effects of those speakers is to turn the lights off. So as I turn off the lights, you can see the whole entire awesomeness of those speakers, and of course I do recommend for you to get more than one, because it makes you look cool altogether. Now take a look at the different modes that are available over here, and you can really see them, especially in the dark. And this one is really interesting altogether. So you can cycle through those, and this one is one, and you go through the different modes. And this is one of the coolest things about this, is that pretty much you pick the way that you want your music to be sounding. Now after you pick the whole entire light mode that you like, all you have to do next is to turn this on. Turning the lights back on, I want to tell you a little bit more about those speakers. I really like this whole entire case over here. It feels really good in hand. You can go through the different effects over here as well. Now this thing is really easy setup, because all I had to do is go to my Bluetooth on my phone, and then after I did this I found the speaker, and you just press on it, and then of course it connects it like this. It is no hassle, it is super quick, and it's super fast. No USB connectivity, no other BS that most other companies actually make you go through. All you have to do is just 2 easy steps and you're in. Now the next thing about this is that it does have a USB-C charging cable that you can charge, and it comes with a USB-C charging cable cord as well, which usually you don't actually get in some other companies. Now this thing is really cool because you can just go ahead and put this anywhere you actually want, and you can listen to the music, and because it also features a few interesting features included as well. So it is ultra long range, strong bass, water resistant, long playback, and twin tech pairing. You can actually pair 2 different units combined using this all together. Now this is the box that it comes with, so I wanted to show you how it actually looks like. And this is why I got 2 of them, because you can go ahead and pair both of them together to your speaker system, and then you can play both of them combined, so you can choose whichever version you want to actually use. Here's how the red one actually looks, and here is the black one, and it's up to you to decide which one looks much more cool. Now let's go ahead and turn this once more on, and in this one we're going to be checking out and figuring out which one has the bigger, better sound. So actually, in terms of like how loud this thing can get. And that's the loudest.
There are a lot of beautiful love songs.
Yeah, that's quite loud, by the way. This thing can pretty much jam. And for something this small, this thing is really loud. Speaker that is really small size and really cool looking and has really nice effects, especially in the dark. This is the one for you to consider. The price is really affordable. It looks kind of cool, and I really like this specific design. And specifically, if you want to play this in a place that's a little bit wet and you don't want to go ahead and risk your actual phone, the Bluetooth speaker is the next best thing for you to get. And this company is just awesome. And you can see over here the things about this. There is the company name, and there is the plus and minus, which is the sound going higher or low. There is the effects that you can go ahead and play with it and change them just by pressing on it. And this one over here just tones this thing all off in case you had enough of this and you want to go ahead and do something else. So overall, this is pretty good. I really enjoyed it. I think if you're thinking about a Bluetooth speaker that is not expensive, that looks kind of cool, and it checks all the boxes of the essentials, really great for partying, having fun, enjoying yourself, or even chilling out as well. And I'm gonna definitely chill out to one of the speakers tonight because this thing is just awesome and you should get one as well.